Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tutelage Guide to Learner. Here, this is Sriparna. I hope all of you are doing good. You all know that exam is coming, so that's why at this time revision is very important. Okay, so let's have a quick discussion on Unit 8 Educational Technology. So today we are going to explain one of the most important chapter from the subject education according to the NTA UGC Net syllabus, that is educational technology. Okay, so if you like my video, so please do one like, share and comment, and please do some support and subscribe my channel for getting more useful sessions. If you have my last session, so just go and check my first comment at my description box where previous session link is already provided. So now going to the main discussion. Educational technology is made of two words. The first word is education and the second word is technology. Okay. So at first we have to discuss what do you mean by a education. So education is basically a process by which knowledge, skills, attitude are transmitting to the people of the society. Okay, so this is basically a method in which pupils gain attitude, values, skills, ethics, etc. Okay, so here we can see the basic meaning of the education. So education is basically the process of expediting learning, acquiring knowledge, values and virtues. I think this is clear what do you mean by a education, and education contributes to the development of the better people around the globe also. Okay, so now going to the second word, that is technology. Technology process for applying technology to achieve an objective. That is the basic meaning of technology. So it is basically a technical process. Okay, so that is called technology. So now going to educational technology is the systematic process of technology in the field of education. That is the basic meaning of educational technology, and it is basically a combined use of software, hardware, educational theory and practice, and basically which facilitates the learning process. That is the basic meaning of educational technology. Okay, so now going to the next part, and that is the importance of educational technology in the field of education, obviously. So why is it important? Okay, so before going to the importance, at first we have to discuss what is the basic nature of the educational technology. And here we can see the first point or the first nature or features of educational technology, that is application to education. That means educational technology is the application of the scientific principles in the educational field. Second point, it stresses on development of methods and different types of technique. So, educational technology emphasizes the design of the different types of methods and techniques and instructional aid also. I think this is clear. Now going to the third nature of the educational technology, and that is it involves input-output process. Okay, so educational technology is basically a comprehensive term. It includes evaluation techniques, it includes programming learning, different types of instructional aids, audiovisual media, teaching learning process, and all things are included in the educational technology part. Why the educational technology is important? Okay, so the basic point, educational technology helps to release the teacher. It gives to the teacher more time for planning, arranging the total process, and evaluating the learning outcomes and the techniques, different type of teaching techniques. So basically it helps to create a MME, that means multimedia environment in the classroom. Okay, so now going to the next point, it helps to involve different types of multiple senses of learner. Okay, so I think this is clear because educational technology develops scientific attitude, it reduces monotonous learning. So that's why it helps to involve the different types of senses of the learner. Okay, so basically educational technology helps to make a efficient, attractive teaching learning process. And here we can see attractive teaching learning process also. So we have already told technology is educational technology is basically combined use of hardware, software, educational theory and practice which facilitates the learning. So educational technology motivates the students, it helps to reduce monotonous learning in the classroom. So that's why educational technology is one of the most important thing in the field of education nowadays. I think this is clear. So now going to the next part, that is educational technology is of two types. The first one is technology in education, and which is denoted by technology take it, and on the other hand that is technology of education, and that is denoted by ed ed take. But there is a difference between educational uh, technology in education and technology of education. Okay, so at first we have to discuss what do you mean by a technology in education or take it. Okay, so basically technology in education learning focuses on learning process, how technology works. Technology in education indicates the hardware part of the system. So now going to the next form, that is technology of education, and here we can see technology of education enhances the teaching learning process. Here we can see technology of education enhances the teaching learning process. Technology of education encourages different types of techniques, methodologies, strategies which facilitates the teaching learning process, which enhancing the total teaching learning process of current curriculum. So that is the difference between technology in education and technology of education. Basically technology of education uses different types of techniques, methodologies which facilitates the teaching learning process, but technology in education gives more importance in the technology part, and the technology of education gives more importance on the quality of the teaching learning process. That is the basic differences between technology in education and technology of education. So we all know that there are different types of technology. The first one is information technology, second one is communication technology, third one is information and communication technology, and that is the combination between information and communication. And the last one, today we will add the extra technology, that is instructional technology. Okay, so we all know the first technology was the information technology, and after that communication technology, after that information and communication technology, and the field of education, the new technology is instructional technology. So learner, we have already told the first technology was information technology. Okay, so what do you mean by a information technology? So basically in the information technology, the use of computer for which purpose? For studying, sending, retrieving, storing, manipulating information which are used in different business organization nowadays, which are used in the field of education, that is known as information technology. So computers are used in studying, sending, retrieving, storing, manipulating information, and though all informations are used in the field of education nowadays. So I think this is clear. What do you mean by a information technology? So now coming to the next technology, that is communication technology. Okay. So communication technology is a one type of technology where any digital tools you can use for sending and receiving information, and communication technology is very fast, efficient, and very convenient and easy to use technology. So I think this is clear. What do you mean by a communication technology? Now coming to the third one, that is ICT. ICT is combined of information and communication technology, and we have already told detailed discussion on ICT in my last session, in my previous sessions on ICT for the paper one. So if you have missed my last that session, so just go and check my first comment and my description box where ICT related sessions links are already provided. Okay. So now coming to the last one, that is instructional technology, and which is one of the most important in the field of education. Okay. So instructional technology are using different types of digital technology. For example, we can say internet, web-based application, web-based application and online curriculum, etc., which facilitates the teaching learning process in the classroom. So that's why in the field of education, instructional technology is one of the most important thing, because it enhances the teaching learning process, it encourages the students activities, it reduces the monotonous teaching process, it helps to engage students in the classroom, it helps to create the efficient, effective, attractive teaching learning classroom. So learner, we are done for the today's session. I hope this session would be a very helpful session to everyone. So if you like my videos, so please do one like, share and comment, and please do some support and subscribe my channel for getting more useful session. I will come again with a new topic, new session. Till then, stay tuned. Happy learning. Stay connected with me. Thank you.